The ATVOXIS men's hair clippers feature a cutting-edge diamond-like carbon coating, which enhances the sharpness and durability of the blades, making it ideal for professional barbering. Equipped with high-torque motors, these clippers maintain a constant 7,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring stable and precise cutting performance without stalling. With a remarkable cordless runtime, the clipper offers 6 hours, and the trimmer provides 3.3 hours of use on a single charge, accompanied by convenient charging stands. The magnetic color-coded combs simplify the styling process, allowing for flawless fades and superior blending with a variety of length options. This premium all-in-one kit includes 11 color-coded combs, a professional cape, blade oil, and a deep cleaning brush, providing all the essentials for creative barbers. Designed for versatility, the ATVOXIS men's hair clippers set is perfect for both professional and home use, offering a complete solution for diverse styling needs.